Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to bypass family link protection on your child's device. If you want to delete parental controls, you can click uninstall, but parental controls was uninstalled, but all my applications are blocked and uninstalling is not working in my case. So what we can do with it, how we can bypass Google Family Link on our Honor 50 Lite device. To do this, open Settings, scroll down, choose Google, click Manage your Google account, click Get Started, scroll right, choose Data and Privacy, go down and choose Delete your Google account, but not afraid, we will recover it later. So confirm your password, then click Next. Scroll down, click I understand, scroll down again and choose Yes and Yes. Click Delete account. Cool. Now go back to home screen, and as you can see all my applications were successfully unlocked and Google Family Link was successfully bypassed on my Honor 50 Lite device. So now we need to recover our Google account, and to do this we need to go to App Store, Play Store and click Sign In. Enter your email here, click Next, and you will see this message that this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click Next to attempt to restore this account. So click Next and enter your password. Click Next again and you will see this message, but not afraid. Alright, all good. We just need to log in into our Google account again. So click Next and enter your email again. Oh, I'm sorry, it's another Google account, HardReset.Info 4. Cool, as you can see a message about deleted Google account. We just need to enter our password. So enter password and click Next. Click I agree. Scroll down, accept. And cool, Google Family Link was successfully bypassed and Google account was successfully recovered. So thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.